bagusi asengenjo abantu ba Mount Kenya bali bagwate chikura chinyinge kabisa ense bamwire ebataite kubwato mwana kurunkaga aho mugusi bamubeke kerogo toko mubwate simu Mheshimiwa Matiang'i barengaga abagote abakubwate sore Fred Matiang'i aire kerogo kyo president kumubwate sore na kitogo tebira iga Fred Matiang'i oyo twamwire gosira atene nobo president niga badishete ense yaito ekiraringe minister for communication nero orentete ngiko kuna digital migration agacha so ministry of education mumaitega asia korete tali boy akarua akaso ministry of interior akarua akabe prime minister no nyeta abwate title iko ku prime minister lakini vivitu aliwetana na Naruto to tanga nero liko bwate Uhuru Kenyatta egas tali boy 2022 na bwate setira ila sana iko na bwate chi network Kenya ngima ondetaba kosa ondetaba ngaina chi DC kionsi chi chief kionsi aba tureti bonsi pi bali bali TPS bali bali minister ne bako bwate si iko mo ngaino kuna tabwate network naendelea Ronaldo manege tugotaga iko morote takuwa njeti so na kiko watebelia let us work together and let us focus on transforming our country, let us focus on transforming our county, our constituency, and of course, our wards.